PC cases with great airflow prevent overheating, enhance cooling efficiency, improve component longevity, and maintain stable high-performance operation. My today's video is about top 5 best PC case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair PC Case. The Frame Modular Case System by Corsair redefines PC case customization, offering unparalleled flexibility for builders who demand both style and performance. Its modular design allows upgrades and swaps, whether upgrading the motherboard tray to billet aluminum or exchanging the front I/O panel for additional USB ports, letting the case evolve with your needs or mood. Pre-installed with 3 Corsair RS-PWM fans, it ensures optimized airflow while supporting daisy-chainable 4-pin PWM connections and 0 RPM mode for near-silent operation at low loads. The InfiniRail fan mounting system provides unmatched versatility, allowing fans up to 200 mm on the front and 140 mm on the roof to be positioned anywhere along the steel multi-point rails, ensuring targeted cooling without rigid constraints. Builders can choose clean cable management via the internal side panel or remove it to mount fans for enhanced cooling. The 3DY pattern perforated front panel maximizes airflow with minimal obstruction, delivering superior cooling for high-performance components while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Now our second product is NZXT PC Case. The high-performance PC case is engineered to deliver exceptional cooling, flexibility, and clean aesthetics for serious builders. Its perforated PSU shroud on the side and bottom ensures optimal airflow to the GPU, allowing 2 120mm fans, not included, to maximize cooling efficiency. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, the case supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator on top, enabling advanced thermal management for high-end systems. The ultrafine mesh panels on the top, front, and side provide superior airflow while effectively filtering dust, keeping components clean and running efficiently. Out-of-the-box performance is enhanced with 2 pre-installed 120mm quiet airflow fans, delivering solid cooling with minimal noise. Cable management is seamless, thanks to wide routing channels, hooks, and straps, allowing builders to maintain a tidy interior while improving airflow. Combining robust cooling potential, liquid cooling compatibility, and thoughtful organization features, this case is ideal for high-performance gaming PCs, workstations, or custom builds that demand both style and thermal efficiency. Our third product is Cooler Master PC Case. The versatile Micro ATX/Mini ITX PC case is designed to combine flexibility, performance, and style for builders of all levels. Its ample interior space provides easy installation and future expansion, accommodating CPU coolers up to 159mm in height, GPUs up to 360mm, and PSUs up to 160mm, ensuring compatibility with high-performance components. For cooling enthusiasts, the case supports a 240mm liquid cooler and up to 5 additional fans, maximizing thermal performance. The modular I/O panel allows you to position ports at the front, top, or bottom, on either side, offering unmatched convenience and customization. The transparent edge-to-edge side panel showcases your build with pride, while the open thermal design and perforated panels on all sides ensure optimal airflow and efficient heat dissipation. Magnetic dust filters not only prevent debris from entering but also add a stylish, distinctive touch. Combining expandable interior, advanced cooling, modular design, and aesthetic appeal, this case delivers a premium, future-ready solution for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts alike. Now number 4, Lianli PC Case. The Lancool 207M ATX chassis redefines compact ATX design, combining high-performance cooling, versatile compatibility, and striking aesthetics. Engineered to support ATX motherboards, the case accommodates up to a 360mm radiator on top, ensuring advanced liquid cooling setups, while its recessed motherboard tray enhances airflow and cooling efficiency. It supports GPUs up to 410mm, PSUs up to 160mm, and high-performance components, making it ideal for demanding builds. Out of the box, the chassis features two 140mm ARGB front fans with infinity mirror centers, spinning up to 1,900 revolutions per minute, creating mesmerizing lighting effects. Additionally, two 120mm PWM fans positioned under the GPU deliver targeted airflow at 1950 revolutions per minute, optimizing cooling for graphics cards and high-temperature components. The front-mounted PSU design with outward-facing connectors improves accessibility, while large mesh panels at the front, top, and bottom maximize airflow. A pre-installed adjustable GPU anti-sag bracket ensures graphics cards remain secure, preventing sagging while maintaining aesthetics. With innovative airflow, modular PSU layout, and ARGB lighting, the Lancool 207 balances performance, customization, and visual flair for modern PC builders. And our last choice is Darkrock PC Case. The ATX PC Case is a thoughtfully engineered chassis designed for both performance and aesthetics, offering exceptional airflow, cooling potential, and modern connectivity. Its meshed front panel ensures optimal airflow, keeping your CPU, GPU, and other components cool even during intensive gaming or workstation tasks. The tempered glass side panels provide a clear view of your build, allowing you to showcase hardware, RGB lighting, and personalized setups with elegance. Equipped with Type-C connectivity, this case supports the latest devices and high-speed data transfers, making it future-ready. Magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom prevent dust accumulation while remaining easy to remove and clean, maintaining a tidy interior. With support for up to 8 120mm fans and a 360mm front radiator, it provides robust cooling flexibility. Fully compatible with ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, 50 series graphics cards, GPUs up to 340mm, and PSUs up to 200mm, this case balances expansive compatibility, airflow, and modern aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for both gamers and PC enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.